What is up, everybody? My name is Jeannide and I got what you need, baby. Today we're wearing glasses because I cannot see. I'm legally blind. So today we're, oh wait, no, but then it reflects in the ring light. Oh, thanks so much for tuning in. So today we're doing like a very easy makeup look, to be honest. It took me like a shorter time to like complete this makeup look, and you know, I also turned up to my playlist, my lit summer 2020 playlist for the month of June at least. I actually want this to be like a monthly thing for me to drop like a makeup playlist video towards the end of each month. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. You know, get into the vibes, okay? So do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. This is Aunty music. I'm not even gonna hold you, but I like this song, okay? NYX Professional Makeup Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Oh, that's a bit. Actually, a little bit goes a long way. So I probably used way too much for this thing. You see the purple? That's titanium dioxide. It's yours. This is last call. Here's my song. Wait, okay. So this is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer by Maybelline. Maybelline, okay. This is in the color Golden, 142. For the summertime, hold on. For the summer. Let me stop. Let me. Okay, let me blend this out. I'm jamming. Oh, let me use this sponge. I never used this sponge, but I'm using it today. Secrets. It's a vibe. I feel like I don't have makeup on. One of my secrets, take it all with it. The NYX Professional Makeup's Born to Glow Foundation, Naturally Radiant Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Like, you see this little dot? That's all I really need for this foundation. And there's some on top anyway. Know that you know one of my secrets. Take it all with it. Oh no. Know that you know one of my secrets. Take it all. Like, this foundation goes a long way. And also, I don't even like putting foundation on my forehead anyway, especially in the summertime. Oh, this makeup about to be really late today, to be honest. What other song? We're gonna play Party Next Door. Big tune. Why so leave? I only baby be just a friend. One and only one can be my only. You're the way to be just a friend. This foundation is actually like super olive on me. So like I've noticed on like some photos, like I'll look like my face will have like a little green tinge to it, and hopefully because I'm using like a super neutral setting powder, it'll like tone the color down a bit. Because I want to use one of these colors and just do a wash. I'll use pinker. Oh, did I put concealer on my lid? I don't think I put enough because this pigment is not giving me cow. This brush came with the palette also. I mean, I don't want to do too much anyway to my makeup, eyeshadow. I don't feel like doing a lip look, you know. So, I'm putting this down here. But do I want to put purple down there? Or maybe different. Ooh, maybe I'll put purple instead. I haven't had that combo in a while, Hennessy and Pepsi. I remember when I first tried it, I hated it. I'm taking big wig, the purple one, I'm putting it underneath. That just went into my waterline, but it's fine. I left so much room to blow this out. I'm going to circles with the other side of the brush. What song is this? Yes. One more shot, I told you. Let's ride where we are. Without the I learned this. This my song. To focus on you. One more shot, I'm losing. I'm choosing. Trying to take it too far. Play my too far. Right where we are, like this. I'm gonna take these two and I'm going to press it into my skin. My song about to play. Keep it going back to back to back. Let's go. Boop, 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 boop. I'm going in. First of all, it's too hot for that. Is my battery about to die? I'm gonna be upset. Keep it going. Keep it going, 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 it's alright. It's alright. I'm starting to sweat. Now in Jersey, you start doing a sexy walk to this part. Keep it. Yo, I'm starting to get real hot. I think it's because I'm moving too much. We're gonna take this off. I don't even have my Oliver face powder on. Oh shit. How was this install? Oh, this is definitely fat now, crazy. Ooh, she's a different person. Okay. To cool me down, we're doing the wet look. So this is a whole bunch of conditioner. Usually I just sit, but I'm like, yeah. I actually want to sit right now. Sis snapped on this one, okay? Now, the NYX Dewy Finish. Okay, let me come back because the other voiceover that I did, it was just it was just filled with chaotic energy because Beyonce wanted to block this whole video because of 20 seconds. So that's why you're listening to my voice. Anyways, I'm just putting on my makeup, putting on some blush, some setting spray, some highlights, and oh, inner corner highlight. I think I used Zam from the Jackie Aina palette. And yeah. Back parade. Oh, my parade. Ooh, I need a lip liner. Swine. Dang. Gang, 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 gang. You know my bang. Well, I guess maybe Jay-Z allowed for Spotify to have like this album, Magna Carta, onto Spotify again. So I've been listening to a lot of Jay-Z from this album. I love this album, so this is my song. So, yep. I'm about to do the money dance. Yep. My bitch got 100 grand. Yep. Yep. This is my song. This is song got nails on. It's so easy for me to put on lashes. Like, it's so easy. No problems. Put on lashes with no problems. Now that's one movie I know. Like, they know I got it. So we're back with the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup playlist video. I actually went back with the back of the sponge and blended it up a little more. If you want to find out the deets on this hair boo, got the video right up there in the card. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep on watching to see that next video too. And for those who it applies to, do not celebrate July 4th because I know it's coming up. Please don't do it. Anyways, and also make sure you vote. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in, and deuces.
Progressive. So high we could see